Right, welcome back to Shedtune and Shedtune HQ, and I'm back in the workshop with Dom. He's returned. What are you doing?
Basically, they're going to go on there like that. So we're going to weld a nut.
For the bodywork?
Yep, for the bodywork. Go through there like that. We're going to weld a nut on the back. And we didn't think to weld the nut on before we got it powder coated because that would be far too easy.
That is very true.
And then you wouldn't be able to see what wonderful things we do.
Anyway, we'll be back in a minute. So as per normal, I'm videoing, Dom's doing all the work, but we were talking...
Yes, but you have so much editing to do back in the office.
I do, you know I do. But me and Dom were just talking and we were thinking about what we can do. Such a top. Back in a mo. Right, so now he's finished grinding.
Move your body.
Yeah, me and Dom were talking and we were wondering what you lot want to see. What projects do you think we should do next? Should we do an engine build?
No, not what we want to, what they want to see. We're not going to do them. We just want to know what they want to see.
Well, we're running out of ideas, so we need some input from you lot. Do you want us to feature some scooters? Do you want us to go and interview some riders? I don't know, scooter rallies, engine builds?
Do you want us to see start build, rebuild?
Oh yeah. Do you want us to shed tune the, what is it?
Yamaha SR125.
Look at that high quality piece of goodness.
Shit.
You can't polish this turd.
Well yeah, it's that as well.
But
we can do anything within reason that doesn't cost a lot of money.
no, I know what I'm going to do with it. But do they want to see us start it and do it?
Okay, so over to you. What do you reckon? Do you think we should have a go at doing that or not bother? Wrong scooter. So we're also thinking about trying to do a bit of product testing. So if there's any products on the market you think are a good idea and you want them tested, let us know and we'll tell you whether they're good or not. Goody, look at the goodness for the front end. Ooh. New headset. You know how Dom likes his laser.
Breathtaking. I shall call him Mini-Me.
You'll see why now. So straight down through the centre to make sure the bodywork's on square and it's virtually perfect. Yeah, arse end, there you go. That's the arse end fitted. It's going to look something like that. It's not final, but it's virtually there. And the front end clips on these Zeus fasteners, or whatever they call themselves, D-clips. And it's pretty solid. So it shouldn't fall off. It's getting faster by the day, isn't it? Pleased with that.
Yeah.
Can't wait to ride it now. So that's the bodywork fitted. Well, the arse end fitted. We've still got to just work out how we're going to fix the front. You pleased how it's come out, Dom?
Yeah, not too bad actually. It's been a bit of a shit.
Yeah, it's not gone smoothly. There's been a lot of buggering about. Well,
excuse me. I wonder what you were doing outside, but
not that sort of messing about, maybe I should have said. On that note,
I'm going. Bye. Sorry. Bye.
do you want to see Dom make a comeback in racing? That's the question.
Get down lower than you, even with this.
Well, yes, that's very true, but you haven't got a Arnold Schwarzenegger Terminator back. Nor have I.
Not that I ever got down that low when I was racing. Like, am I down?
Yeah, and me. Be interesting though, wouldn't it?
That feels solid.
Well done, Josh, on the bodywork.
Certainly isn't going to go in there. So I reckon we need to cut these sections out. If we cut those out,
Yeah.
just so that can
So it
flick
just round,
round.
drop down.
Because at the moment that's not going
Oh yeah,
anywhere near.
that's bizarre, isn't it?
At least to get a twist on it and get some idea.
Okay, so we'll cut that out then. Oh God, can you see that? Just about.
Yeah, because it's easier to see than the petrol dipstick.
Is it? Okay, first cuts are made. Taste of fiberglass by any chance? I think we'll come back to that in a minute. So Professor Dom is trying to work out how we can fit this headset and the bars we want to run, because it doesn't quite line up, and we were aware that we'd have to modify it in some way, shape or form, but it doesn't quite fit the way we want it to.
But it will.
But it will, you're right. Anyway, that's going to be it for this video. Say bye, Dom.
Bye, Dom.
Right, don't forget, give it a like, a subscribe, put the bell on, keep an eye out for the pin badges because they're nearly ready to rock, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers, bye.